So guys, Higgsfield AI has once again brought a next level upgrade, which is Kling O1. Kling O1 is a new kind of creative engine. Instead of wrestling with rigid prompts, you create naturally. Describe a character, reference an image, mix styles, combine shots. Kling O1 understands the full context and builds coherent cinematic output. This is Higgsfield's website, where you get all types of AI tools on a single platform. With just one subscription, you can access multiple AI tools. Higgsfield keeps adding new AI tools every single day so that users can get maximum benefit. Today we will review and test Kling O1. You can simply search Higgsfield AI on Google, or I'll leave the link in the description, click it and you'll land on this page. Okay, so here, Kling O1 is the first unified multimodal video model. Unified AI platform for image and video creation, built for team collaboration, secure sharing, and enterprise-scale workflows. From concept to final cut in seconds. Here it shows the simple steps to generate with Kling. Upload anything, write a prompt, and generate what you desire with Kling. Here's what Kling O1 can do. Relight and atmosphere. Change daytime to dusk or add cinematic lighting. The model understands 3D geometry to adjust light and shadow. Reframe and composition. Modify camera angles, transform a wide shot into a close-up, or change the lens type with a text prompt. Precise object swap. Replace specific subjects while keeping the original action intact. Smart clean up. Remove unwanted objects, wires, or people simply by natural language. No manual tracking required. Recolor and restyle. Instantly shift color grades, change item colors, or apply artistic styles while preserving motion. Extend and keyframing. Extend shots spatially, or instantly swap backgrounds to a green screen for effortless compositing. We will definitely test some of these features. Stay with me in the video. Alright. Not only this, but it also gives you free access to its prompt bank, which will help you master the Kling O1 model. You can click here to get your guide. Here they share the golden rule of Kling prompting. Multiple reference editing with multiple inputs. The prompt used to generate this video is also provided. For character references, you can change the style simply by uploading a style reference and writing a good prompt. Background and atmosphere change. You can see how the prompts are written. You can take ideas from these prompts or use them directly, edit the details, and generate similar videos. Okay, so let's test the Kling O1 model. Click on Start Now. This is the Kling O1 play area. Here you will see three options. Create video atli, edit video, draw to video. We will try all three one by one. Under Create Video, there is the frame feature. You upload a start frame and an end frame, and Kling connects both frames to create a complete video. Here you enter the prompt. From here, we can select the model. Make sure the Kling O1 model is selected. You can choose the video duration 5 seconds or up to 10 seconds. Aspect ratio 9:16, 1:1, whatever your project requires. I'll keep it at 16:9. Let's generate something. For the start frame, I'll upload an image. For the end frame, I'll upload another image. I'll simply describe what should happen in the video. Pirates attacking the other ship. That's it. Aspect ratio 16:9. Duration 10 seconds. Now look here. Higgsfield is offering unlimited Kling O1 generations for everyone who subscribes to the Ultimate Plus plans by December 7th. So if you buy the unlimited plan, you can toggle on the unlimited option and it won't cost any credits. You can generate as many videos as you want on the Kling O1 model. Let's click on generate. Look how beautifully and smoothly it managed the camera angle and created a stunning shot. Tell me guys, doesn't it look like a movie scene? The result is absolutely amazing. Let's try another one. I added one image of a palace and one of a lady in the frames. A simple prompt. The camera zooms into the palace and focuses on the lady. Fantastic. See how smoothly it handled the camera movement. No glitch, no distortion, absolutely perfect. I'm genuinely impressed with the generation quality of Kling O1. Now let's move to elements. Here you can upload an image or add an element. To add an element, click Add Element. Basically, you give one main image plus different angles of the same subject. Kling saves the element in 3D. Whenever your video needs another angle, it will automatically use the appropriate one to keep the character consistent. I'll upload an image of a boy along with 3 random angle images. I'm just uploading whatever I have, friends. If you provide good angle references, the results will be even better. Give the element a name, I'll name it My Model. Add a small description. Now click Generate. The element is generated. Select it and click Use Element. Now it appears here. I will upload 2 more images, one of a bike and one of a city background. Generated. See how it used the side profile image of the man according to the scene. The bike is also there and the city background too. Now I'll upload another background image. All these images will stay available for use. I want to see how Kling merges everything in the final video. Oh man, look how beautifully it blended all the images. It mixed the lakeside background with the city background perfectly. Yes, the man isn't actually riding the bike, he stopped in one place. Maybe that's because all the inputs were images. If I'd inserted the previous video here and generated, then maybe he would be riding the bike. Whatever the case, it is impressive. Let's try one more. In this video, the car is driving at high speed. I will upload a background image. Prompt: change the background. And look, the background changed instantly. Now I'll write, change the color of the car to yellow. Change the car to open roof. And look, it worked. Now in Elements, let's try object replacement. I uploaded an image of a woman holding a coffee cup. Then I uploaded an image of a cute cat. Prompt: replace the coffee cup in the woman's hand with the cat. Wow, look at this. I only asked for replacement, but it intelligently understood the context and made the woman gently pet the cat, showing affection. Such a beautiful output. Impressive, right? Now let's quickly try draw to video. Let's try sketch to video. I have a small scene drawn as a sketch. I'll upload it. Now we have to type what is happening in the image. I described the three scenes. Basically, the boy is riding his bicycle. He sees a girl and falls into a pothole. I'll keep the style as anime. Look at this, not only did it animate the image, but it also added dialogues.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I think so.
Very impressive. This was Kling O1 multimodal. You can do so much more with it, friends. I've only shown a few things because the video would become too long. Definitely visit Higgsfield and try the Kling O1 model. These are Higgsfield subscription plans. Do try this platform, you will gain a lot from it. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and give it a little hype. If you're new to the channel, subscribe because I bring new AI tools and tutorials regularly. See you in the next video.